guys, my name is Angel. I'm one of the students here at HBLE. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to submit a document from the following 3 apps. So these are the only 3 apps you could submit an assignment to Schoology. So here's the video of how to do it. Okay, now that you're in the app, what you're going to do is in your left side, you're going to see icons. One says shared, one says open, one says setting, Microsoft app, and one says new. Click on the one that says new and it has a page and a circle and a plus sign. Go ahead and click it. Click blank document. Now, I'm going to be reminding you guys right now the heading of the school. Okay? So you're going to put, so you may be asking me, Angel, what button do I click to edit the heading? So I'm going to draw where you guys are supposed to do it, okay? So it's here. Now, like you see, I go to home and there it is. Go ahead and click it. Wait. But you're supposed to be like if you were going to write to click it. Now click it, move it to right, and now you're going to be able to write. Okay? Now, the school's heading is your first and last name. Okay? Now next is the date. Today it's October 5th, 2020. I do not know what day your teacher's putting you this, but this is the day I'm making the video. Now click return again and put the subject's name and the number of the period. So let's say this assignment, it's for math. So you're going to write math, and let's say you have math for period 1. Okay? Now you're going to put return and put the assignment's name. So let's say this name of the assignment, it's going to say greetings. Okay? Now, to put it back to regular, click where you see that sprinkle line. Click it and move it back to left. Okay, but you're going to have to press return and then move it back, okay? Now write whatever you're going to write. Let's say your teacher wants you to write a very short greeting. She wants you to use Word for an example to see if Word works for you. So I'm going to write, hi, how are you? Okay? Now, I will pay close attention. On the top left, there's a button. Not the one that is curved. The one that looks like, if you add a dot, it looks like a fish. Okay? If you cannot remember that, just remember that is the button more closer to the minutes. Okay? Go ahead and click it, and it's going to say save or delete draft. If you go back, or this is not the draft you wanted, or a problem happens and you cannot redo it, press delete draft. But right now we're going to be focusing on how to save this assignment. Go ahead and click save. Okay. Now, where it says on my iPad, on the bottom, there's a blue folder and it says Files app. Go ahead and click it. Now, on the top right, I repeat, top right, there's going to be a button that says move. Go ahead and click that button. Okay? Now you may be saying, Angel, it kicked me out. You did not explain well. What happened? Don't worry, everything is okay. The only thing that happened is that it saved it. So you go to recents and you could see it says there and it says document. But here in HPLE, there's a heading your teacher wants you to do. Okay? So you're gonna click on those 3 dots and you're gonna click rename. Now, like you see, you can put the heading. The heading they want us to do is your last name, the subject. We're still gonna use math as our subject. The period number 1. The name of the assignment, greetings. And then then what you're supposed to write is dot, like a period, and then doc, D-O-C. Now on the top right, you're going to see a button that says rename. Not the one that is in the middle, the one that is at the right. Go ahead and click it. And like you see, now it's renamed. Sorry, I cut the video too early in that time. Now what you're going to do is submit it to Schoology. Okay, now that you're in Schoology, ready to turn your assignment in, click the period you want to do. For this example, I'm going to be using math like we did last time. Go ahead and click math. Click whatever folder you're supposed to do. Click the bottom one. Click submissions. And on the top right, you're going to see a plus button. Click that plus button and click submit from iOS apps or the last option. Click it, and like you see, there's the thing I made. You're gonna click it and click submit, and it's gonna. Okay, but you may be asking me, Angel, my teacher wants me to submit it through the online website of Schoology. I'm gonna also show you how to do it that way. Okay, now that you're here in the online website, you're gonna go ahead and click courses. And then like I said in this video that we're going to be using math, go ahead and click math. Click the assignment. And then for you guys, it's going to say submit. Go ahead and click submit assignment. And then you know where that microphone is? In the left, there's like another icon that has papers and things like that. Go ahead and click it. Click browser. And then like you see, there it is. Last name, math, 1, greeting, doc. Click it and wait for it to upload. Now click submit. When you click submit, your assignment is already done. Go ahead, work in another assignment, or if it was the last assignment you had to do, go ahead, take some rest. Okay, so this is a quick reminder that the only 3 apps you could submit a document are these 3 apps you see on your following screen. Well, that's how you submit an assignment to Schoology. I hope this video helps you in the future when your teacher leaves word assignments. Now, back to your teacher.